Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning. I'd like to do another review on a portable head unit or CarPlay system. This one is a 9-inch HD screen. You could use it in any vehicle. If you have multiple vehicles, you could take it from one to another to another. It hooks up to your phone automatically when you get in the car. You can watch YouTube videos, movies. You can mirror image your phone. You can listen to really any type of music. It connects to the CarPlay. The CarPlay connects to your FM stereo, and the music comes out of your speakers. Or if you're watching a movie, 5.1 surround. Sounds incredible if you have a Bose or Carmen Hardin or any real quality stereo in your vehicle. Let's do an unboxing. We'll hook it up, show you some features. And I've had quite a few of these. I love these things, and I'll give you my opinion on this one here. This is the Topexplore 9-inch HD CarPlay system. The 9-inch wireless CarPlay screen from Topexplore is a full HD touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, GPS navigation, Bluetooth FM auxiliary, mirror link, voice assistant, and extremely easy installation for cars. Let's unbox it. These guys here normally go, well, the quality ones go between $100 and $200. This is on the upper end of that scale. I believe this one has a camera, front and rear. I'm not sure. We'll see as we unpack it here. But yeah, they're affordable. Better than $300–400 head unit. This is the 9-inch screen here. Let's peel this off. It does give you instructions on connecting and pairing your phone to the unit itself, what to do, what not to do, and you could scan these codes here if you want to see a YouTube video or some instructions on how to get started in hooking this up and enjoying the unit. That's the thickness. It's a nice thin unit. On the back here, we have 3 different bracket settings for the height of wherever you want to mount this. There's a speaker on the back, power button on the side, and then we have the auxiliary, a card. This is audio in, and this is your Type-C charging port. All right, what else do we have in here? Obviously, we're going to have some mounting brackets. What do we have here? We have some different adhesive and mount bases. I'm not sure what that is yet. Here is your video or audio cable. This is old school here. I don't think I would be using this at all, but it's available if needed for the older phones. What do we have here? Here is another mounting bracket and pad. These are adhesive. Please peel off the 3M adhesive from the base and stick it. Wait 24 hours before using it. Give it time to really bond to the surface. So once you have this mounted, you can tilt. I believe you can twist. Yeah, there we go. You could twist it, position the screen however you want it. This is a secondary in case you have another car. You could just go from one mount to another. Let's see what else we have. This is a mount for your window. I have other ideas for this because my vehicle that this is going in already has a base that's glued to the dash, and it's pretty damn secure. If I try to remove it, it's probably going to rip the dash, so I'll just reuse that and use this telescoping little arm here, figure out the best way to use this. Oh wow, yeah, that would be great. That would work. Mounting it on the dash here, have it stick off and come down so the screen isn't too high in the vehicle, blocking my view out the window. I'll probably be using that one there. This is going to be your power cord that will go into the power source lighter in older vehicles, into the C port. And we have some more cords here. All right, well, this is going to be your rear mounted camera if you want to use it. So this is going to go to a power source, and I do have a power port towards the back of the vehicle. Hopefully this reaches, and then that's going to go all the way up, and that'll have to plug into the head unit. We'll see how clear that is. A lot of them, these are fuzzy, but we'll see. Hopefully this is a better quality camera. And then you have your smart screen user manual, installation guide in different languages, and then your warranty service and optional accessories if you wish. All right, I look forward to getting this up and running. Let's do it. It's going to go in the Honda. We just got this running with no dash lights. Start it up for you. No dash lights. Running excellent. See if we can get 500, 600,000 miles on this thing. But I already have a plate on here from somebody else. We just need to clean that old adhesive off. It ain't going nowhere. If I try to get that off, it might damage the dash. So let's just reuse it and have the CarPlay system hanging off and right about here so it doesn't block the view. And then we'll get rid of this thing which I use to hold and charge my phone. That'll come out. And we'll use that port to fire up and give power to the CarPlay unit. A lot of this, the real thick stuff, I can roll up into a ball with my fingers and pull it off the plate. And then I'll grab the Citril 266 and get that plate perfectly clean. There we go. Let me show this to you guys. That's what we pulled off of it. Now let me get the Citril, clean the plate perfectly, and then whatever we pull out of the box from the Topexplore, it should stick perfectly to that plate. Squirt a little bit of 266 into, oh yeah, that's coming right off, whatever that was. It wasn't very strong. All right, piece of cake. All right, we have that pretty damn clean. Stuff was nasty, whatever that adhesive was. Let's grab some of the mounting kit and see what we can put together. Okay. That should be pretty good there. Let's tighten this stuff up a little bit. I think that would work out well. Does that telescope at all? Oh yeah, it does. Look at that. It even telescopes. So that's going to help out a lot. We'll take that out as far as we can. And then, yeah, it's going to be great. All right, let's see. We remove this. That's really sticky. So we want to get it centered the first time and not have to lift it up again. Really applying some pressure here. Okay. So far, so good. Let's see, does it get, is it this way or do we twist it that way? Let's tighten that up. Let's tighten this up. Now we can try that again. Tilt that towards me a little bit. And once I get everything situated, I'll really tighten everything up. And I'll probably have it so the arm is resting down onto the dash so it doesn't wobble. We'll do that later. Right now, let's juice this thing up. Again, this goes into the C port. You can make the wires clean, have it come down the side here and then over and then up to all right. Do I need the key on? Let me see here. Yes, I need the key on. Fired up for you. And while it's firing up, I'll grab my phone. English, yes. Okay, so let me get into my settings here. Bluetooth. Now we look for, on your iPhone, you need to see T86B and then that number there, and that's down here. That will pop up. Give it some time. Pair. Allow. And there we go. Now we're connected. All right. Took a little time, but now we're connected. Let's see if we get some sound. Our maps. Let's switch to maps. As you can see right there. Let's drop a pin. Gives you the ETA and the route. Go. And we're on our way. So you'll have a nice big screen instead of looking down at your phone for the directions. When it comes to the phone, you have all of your settings right there. Let's see what else we have. Music, maps, messages, smart screen, some of the different settings, brightness, when you want that to start, when you want it to end, driving position, language, assistive touch, clear connections, service. There's the audio. Just slide the bar back and forth. Okay, so it's on speaker now. If you turn this up, it'll play out of this little speaker. If you want for it to go out, you could pick any station here. I always go and set all of mine to 95.1. Just because that's where the other ones are set. All right, now I have music playing. Should be the Cars. And we go down to 95.1. And there it is. All right, I got to cut that off. really what we have left to show is the camera. This wire is going to get hooked up to your reverse light power lead. And the other one, this long one right here, this black one, will go all the way up front here, however you choose to route it, into that button right there. And here's your camera. Just a bit upside down. Okay, so, you know, it's not 1080p, but it'll allow you to see, like, this thing doesn't have a reverse camera to back up. I'll be able to see that with this once I get it hooked up properly, and it will only come on when I go into reverse. And then I just mount it right underneath. I'll show you where I would mount it. So it would get mounted up under this thing here, and then look down on whatever I'm backing up towards. All right, good friends, that's going to do it for this video. If you have any questions, again, you can mirror your phone to watch movies and YouTube videos. You can also get creative as to how to run the wire for the backup camera. Or you can use it for a camera on the dash here, a dash camera as well. You can get creative where you mount it. You can mount it up top looking down, so if you want to see how close you're getting to maybe a boat or a trailer or something you're pulling behind the vehicle, or if you want it down low so you can use it more for a parking tool, you could just get creative as to where you mount it. And the wiring, you need to get creative as well. Now that a positive feed gets hooked up to your reverse light, so when you go into reverse and that triggers it, it will go from whatever the screen is showing to your backup light. So you don't have to come out of the screen, push the camera button. It'll automatically do that for you. And this tool here, the only thing in the box, I didn't know what the hell it was, that's for prying if you want to remove your base from the dash. This helps you pry that away. I guess so it doesn't cut into the dash. It just helps get the base off of there. So that is going to do it for the Topexplore 9-inch HD smart screen. Like a lot of these, I absolutely love it. I'm going to put a link down below for you guys to look into it if you want to look into it a little bit more. I love that you could just take this out of this car, put another base in another car, go from car to car to car, and always have it hooked up to your phone as soon as you get in the vehicle. Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning. I'll catch you in the next video.